can you lie now that I am free for my new creation from the grave? I used to be a slave of sin, no longer since God has raised me from the dead. Put your flesh in death, that you would die to sin. Let me call the sons of the one true God. Oh, Jesus Christ the King, the watery grave bring, but life eternally away from sin. Oh, we were slaves, now we're free. Strike from the silver blood. We were slaves, now we're free. Set out the power of my blood. Sin has no power. Sin has no power. Sin has no power. Over me. We were slaves, now we're free. Strike from the silver blood. We were slaves, now we're free. Sin has no power. Over me. What's up, Oklahoma? How y'all doing today? Does it sound alright out there? Yeah? Check it out, man. We're Becoming Sons from San Antonio. Hey, on this next song's it's not a new one. We released it last year. But I got a special friend that loves this song, and I'm gonna go ahead and bring him up here. His name's Paul Portel. Some of y'all know him. He's gonna help me on this song. Where's Paul at? Paul, where are you at? Come get this mic over here, man. Here's your time to shine, brother. Y'all ready, guys?
I was down for the job, but you locked me out. You tried to tear me apart, but fell from the start. Fucking alone. Every ounce I tried, inside of me, continues to break because you stand back right.
Free from myself. You carry the weight of it all on your shoulders. Oh, damn. Where is your Y'all give Paul a hand clap. He rocked that out, yeah? That was a good time. That's what it's all about, right? Good time. Can we get a little bit more guitar on the drum monitor, please? We're gonna keep this show moving.
broken, undeserved, but your death is my victory.
That's my victory!
All right, check it out. It's hotter than heck out here. Right? It is hot. So hot. So here's what I need. Right here, right now, this next song, it's called Defiant. I want y'all to get rowdy. I need y'all to get rowdy. Yeah, can we do that? Yeah. Yeah. How many of y'all have seen us before? Anybody seen us before? Yeah, that's awesome, man. We appreciate it. We love y'all so much. We love y'all so much. It's been such a pleasure and honor. We appreciate it. KOUJ and the Block Party for inviting us out. Man, we wouldn't be anywhere else right now. This is where we want to be right now, right? This next one's called Defiant. Right here, right now, you ready?
1, 2, 3, go! This is my protest. You're the enemy. No matter and just your fire inside of me. You are the blinder to find a conquer. You're something like you, but now I walk without me. You never take me, you won't deceive me. The spirit turns out to you outside. This is my protest. You're the enemy. The battle rages. The fire inside of me. This is my protest. You're the enemy. The battle rages. The fire inside of me. This is my protest. You're the enemy. The battle rages. The fire inside of me.
If you know it, sing it with me. I stand defiant. I stand tall. I will be the tall. I stand defiant.
I'm like a dragon, I'm out of blanket. I'm being drowned. Fully embedded in one, I'm overtaken. I'm overtaken. It's someone not going down on my wrath.
I stand defiant. I stand tall. I will be the tall. I stand defiant. Like you will not make me fall. I stand defiant. I stand tall. I stand defiant. I stand tall. I will be the soul. I stand defiant. Like you will not make me fool. I stand defiant. I stand tall. I will be the soul. I stand defiant. Like you will not make me fool.
Stand up!
Y'all having a good time today? Yeah, go for it. Man, it's hot right now. It's hot. Anybody who's seen me perform before, y'all know I'm normally jumping around and stuff as much. I appreciate that fan a whole lot, yeah. I saw that fan, I was like, oh my gosh, thank you, Jesus. Yeah. But yeah, if you've seen me before, I'm normally jumping around a lot more, but what I'm worried about right now is passing out. So I'm gonna go ahead and restrain myself from doing that. My wife's like, yes, please, thank you. You good to go? Yeah. We got 2 more for you. Man, this next song, we really appreciate it. Y'all probably have heard it here at KOUJ. But man, this one hit the charts, and we're very proud of it. And man, we love it. But most important is the message behind this song. So I'm not gonna talk a lot about it because we're stuck on time right now, but I want you to listen. I want you to listen, and I want you to hear, right? I know I scream a little bit in it. Pay attention. You'll catch it, all right? This next one's called Illuminate.
It's all your kind.
So check it out. I know almost everybody here, right? Y'all here for the music. Y'all here for the bands. Y'all here for just to have a good time, right? We are here for one reason right now, and that's to speak the truth of Jesus Christ. Can I get an amen? Someone give me an amen. The Bible says when two or more gather there, so shall he be. There's more than two of us here. Right now, let's have a little bit of church. Let's have a little bit of church. This next song that we're gonna sing, it's called Awaken. Don't worry, this is my mic, I can cough on it. Yeah, don't worry. But check it out. Last year, me personally, I went through a hard time. And we got the police here. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Y'all say hi, police. We promise to behave. But check it out. As Christians, that doesn't mean that life gets easier. As Christians, that doesn't mean that the roads are easier. No, that means that the path becomes narrower, right? But it's us who chooses to walk that path, right? Because that path leads to Jesus Christ. Last year, like I said, I had a hard time. I lost my aunt to cancer. I lost my college roommate to liver failure. I lost a lot of friends last year. I struggled with depression. I had already struggled with depression before that. Growing up, I had a hard time. I know there's kids here and I'm gonna talk about it anyways, but parents, y'all forgive me. But growing up, I struggled with thoughts of suicide. I did. Things were rough, things were hard. There was days where I didn't feel like going, I didn't feel like keeping on. But it's the love of Jesus Christ that pushed me, that motivated me. It was the grace of Jesus Christ that pushed me and motivated me. It was everything that he had to give me that allowed me to continue to carry on. So we pushed forward and pushed forward. And we continued to do the things that I continued to move forward in my decision to follow Christ. But listen. I know everybody's distracted right now. I want your eyes up here. Don't worry about anything that's happening right now. But listen to me. Through those hard times, through those valleys, through the darkest, the lowest of lows, it was Christ's light that allowed me to get through it. It was that light that I saw when I kept looking up in the darkest of space that allowed me to move forward.
What TV are we at?
Right? Because I was dead. I was dead on the inside. But it was he who called me and said, arise. It was he who called me and said, awaken. Because only he is capable of doing that. So I don't care where you are right now in life. I don't care if you've lost your job. I don't care if you've lost a family member. I don't care where you've been. And I'm not saying I don't care, trust me, I care. But what I'm saying is that it's nothing to what Jesus Christ can do for you. He can pull you out of that darkness. He can pull you out of that dark place. He can bring you into that light. But all you have to do is open your arms to him and accept him. Can I get an amen here today? This next song is called Awaken, and I want to teach it to you real quick. I want you to sing this with me. Ready? I never thought I'd walk again, but you awakened me from the dead. All right, y'all sing with me. I never thought I'd walk again, but you awakened me from the dead. One more time, sing it with me. Sing it with me. All right, this next one's called Awaken.
It's so good for the moment.
You will be glorified.
Sing it with me. I never thought I'd walk again.
But you come my name.
You awaken me
My God from the
with me. I never thought I'd walk again. Sing it with me, come on. But you awaken me from the dead. Let me hear it louder, come on now. I never thought I'd walk again. But you from the dead.
Oh my God, from the
I never thought I'd walk again.
But you come my name.
You awakened me from the dead. One more time, let's keep it going. Oh, I never thought I'd walk. Becoming Sons. Y'all check out our merch booth over there. Thank y'all, KOUJ, for having us out. Y'all be blessed.